After my last video went viral about IDCW funds that give you consistent monthly dividend, I got a lot of inquiries and comments in the comment section asking what are some good recommendations for these kind of funds. So I thought, why not make a video which is definitely not financial advice and don't copy these dividend funds or these strategies directly, but at least you have an idea of how these funds work and you can consult your respective financial advisors to see whether this is good for you or not. Now these are few funds from my research basket which we use for our clients, and I want to showcase their history, their current performance in this video. Now this basket of funds and the combination of funds that we use for our clients are selected on multiple quantitative and qualitative factors, including management style, history, and what kind of buffer the fund has internally to keep on paying you consistent dividends. So I'll quickly start sharing my screen and show you what is relevant to this video. So the first fund is Nippon India Balanced Advantage Fund. Now this fund has a very long history of paying dividends, and the consistent monthly dividend started from the year 2018. So from June 2018 it started giving you monthly dividends, and if you see, it has a very consistent history. Even during COVID times it kept on paying monthly dividends, and the dividends definitely with every fund keeps on increasing also with time. Now what I'm trying to project here is, if somebody invested 1 crore today in this fund, the latest dividend which was received in the month of January, which is like 2-3 weeks back, he would have started receiving 67,000 worth of dividend on a 1 crore investment. And this dividend most likely will stay constant for the next 2 or 3 years and then will keep on increasing based on market conditions. Most of these funds are mainly targeted to give you monthly income from whatever capital gains arises, and they have an internal buffer for their funds so that they don't miss out on any dividend payments to you. So if you invest 1 crore today, you start getting 67,000. Most likely, and in very of the rare cases, there might be some reduction, but the history says that they don't reduce the dividend. Most likely it ends up only increasing. So Nippon fund, you invested 1 crore, let's say even today, you will start getting somewhere around 68,000 kind of dividend every month, which is approximately 7 to 8% dividend yield every year. The next fund is Bandhan Aggressive Hybrid Fund. This is not a balanced fund, this is an aggressive hybrid fund, and these are two separate categories which you can do your research about online. Now somebody who invested 1 crore in Bandhan fund last month would start getting 76,000 dividend every month. Now Bandhan, this fund, because is slightly new, it has only 4 or 5 years worth of history of paying dividends, and earlier it used to do a quarterly dividend, but very recently it started giving monthly dividend. Again, the reason why this fund is in our research basket, because we know this fund has at least 2 to 3 year worth of buffers to keep on paying you the dividend, and also the strategy is balanced in such a way that it can generate this kind of incomes with you without taking a lot of risk, because these are hybrid mutual funds. So since the fund history, you see there has been consistent dividends, and you are also now getting monthly dividend on this fund. Recently they increased their dividend, so somebody who was receiving 73,000 till the month of November is now starting to receive somewhere more than 90,000 rupees per month. And if somebody is investing very fresh money today, he will start getting 76,000 dividend every month. So 1 crore investment, 76,000 in case of Bandhan. In case of Nippon, the monthly dividend was 67,000. Let's come to Hdfc Balance Fund. Now Hdfc Balance Fund has again a consistent history of paying monthly dividends from 2018 onwards, and it has been one of the stellar funds in this category of balanced advantage. If you invested 1 crore last month in this fund, you would start getting 65,000 rupees as dividend every month. If somebody who invested 1 crore when the fund was launched in 2018 and continued investing, his current value of the investment would be 1.3 crores, and the total dividend that he would have received till now would be somewhere around 80 lakhs. So 1.2 crore, 1.3 crores in capital and 80 lakhs worth of dividend. Now remember, when you're watching this video, we are shooting this video in the month of January when the dividends are recently released. And for last 18 months, Indian markets have literally given zero returns. And these funds have survived those bad times also definitely giving consistent dividend, but also protecting your capital from a major downside. And this is the feature of income generating dividend oriented hybrid mutual funds. Let's come to the fourth fund, which is Edelweiss Balanced Advantage Fund. 1 crore invested last month would start giving you almost 85,000 worth of monthly dividends. Now, this fund has a history since 2017 of giving consistent dividends. And if somebody would have invested 1 crore in 2070, his 1 crore currently would be 1 crore 18 lakhs, and he would have received a total dividend of 77. So 120 and 77, again a total growth of 2 crore on this fund, some part in capital gains and some part as monthly income. And last, the one which gives you very high dividends and focuses on paying most of the profits in monthly manner is Sundaram Aggressive Hybrid Fund. 1 crore invested in this fund last month would give you a stellar 92,000 dividend every month. Yes. Now compare this with all other options that you have for generating monthly income. This will beat all current options. Fund has an history of paying consistent dividend for last 10 straight years. So from 2016 onwards, it is paying consistent dividends throughout all market events, be it demonetization, GST introduction, COVID, GST, Russia-Ukraine war, tariff war, everything, right? So 1 crore invested through that time. Current value is 1 crore 5 lakhs, because like I said, the style here to manage your fund is to give most of the profits in monthly manner. And the total dividend received till date would be approximately 97 lakhs. This fund is aggressive in nature and should not be taken as financial advice. Even though the amounts might seem lucrative, but you need to consult your financial advisor before taking any kind of decision. Somebody who invested 1 crore then would be receiving 97,000 dividend every month, but somebody who is investing fresh today would receive 92,000 worth of dividend every month. So I'll put a summary on the screen of this fund name so that you can take a screenshot of this. Or if you want this spreadsheet, you can go to the description section, just enter your name and email ID, and you will receive this spreadsheet on your mail. Again, please make sure to not take this video as financial advice. Why? Because a combination of these funds depends on client's risk appetite and other assets that he has, which is aligned to his financial plan. You cannot just run after a fund which is giving you highest dividend, because with higher returns also comes higher volatility. So make sure that you don't simply look at these funds and start implementing. If you need any help, just click on the WhatsApp link in the description and we will help you making this investment decision. But definitely the way you should compare this is that if you have 1 crore in fixed deposit, what is the monthly interest that you'll receive? Let's say a fixed deposit today is paying 6 or 6.5%, which is almost 0.5% a month. So 1 crore will give you 50,000 in interest every month. 1 crore real estate, depending on city, might give you, let's say, 30,000 or 50,000 rent every month. But the funds that I showed you here for dividend, the least amount of dividend is almost 65,000, and the highest dividend that you receive on this funds is 92,000. So it's a good range. If you are somebody who has 1 crore in fixed deposits or is planning to buy a real estate to start getting monthly income, maybe it's time to think twice. Maybe you can look at these funds where you start getting monthly income and your capital also appreciates with time, and try to make it tax efficient. As for many NRIs, we have IDCW agreement in place where you can reduce the taxation on your mutual fund dividends. For example, many NRIs in Saudi Arabia don't know that the standard deduction of standard taxation rate for dividend is 20%. But using IDCW agreement, we can bring it down to 5%. But it all comes with very high knowledge of cross-border taxation and execution as a financial advisor. And that's what we do for our clients. So if you have somebody who has a good corpus in the range of 1 to 5 crores and is starting or is planning to get monthly income for him or his dependents here in India, please feel free to reach out to us. We would love to help you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next.